Well then, hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a while. It's been a week or so since the last upload. But yeah, just where to start really. We had the plough match on the weekend, as you probably already know, seen on Facebook and Instagram. We had George, Ben and Kurt come over with Liz and Paul also there doing some filming. George took his TW over on the back of the fast track. That was a sight, that was. Yeah, we had this 3640 going up next to the TW ploughing away. So yeah, just a mix of footage really. Got some drone shots while I could really, because the drone was playing up. So yeah, so what I'll probably do with this video, as I'm ploughing now, I've got the whole farm to do, I'll put some footage up from the ploughing match. And then the day after there was another plough match just down the road here. Got some footage on that on my phone, so I'll probably mix that in. And yeah, I got some drone footage of me ploughing on Sunday. Gorgeous day. Shame we didn't have that weather on the Saturday, but we had snow on the Saturday. In fact, didn't settle or anything, but it was bloody cold and all that. But no, it was a good weekend. Everyone enjoyed themselves. Well, I hope so. Looked like they did anyway. I've never seen so much bloody laughter from the three, but it's just something else. But I know them three are doing a video and also going on their channel, Talking Points, so yeah, that should be good when that comes out, and yeah, see the outcome of it really. So yeah, I've started in this field. It's 25 acres. I've only got about 5 acres left to do, so yeah, it should keep me busy for a bit. And yeah, just the general work really. So yeah, that's all. So yeah, like I said, I'll put some footage up now from the weekend and from me on Sunday and just other bits really. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you when I pick it up again. Alright, thank you. Well then, welcome back everyone. Hope you're all well, and hope you enjoyed that video. I've just finished off this field here. What was it, 10 acres? Well, it's easier if I show you. I've just finished ploughing this field. Doesn't look too bad, I suppose. It's not the best bit of ploughing I've ever seen, but also not the worst. You know, it's fairly level. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's not up here. It's all clay, and you get over there down the brow of that hill. It's all nice and light, but it's not too bad. Buried fairly well. There's odd bits like there you see, but no, it's not. I wouldn't say it was too bad for a rookie like myself, but there we are. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. Oh bloody hell, it went over then. Hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you on the next one. Alright, cheers.